And in this episode, I'm going to show you the procedure to open a real account in Metatrader 5. In order to open a real account in Metatrader 5, you just have to follow the steps. First thing, install the application from your respective Play Store. And next, you have to go to open it up. When you open it up, then it's going to prompt you to create a demo account. So basically, a demo account is just a demo account, like the name itself suggests. So there you do not need to create an account. On the demo account, you could just explore all of these interfaces and just familiarize yourself with the interface. So when you're done familiarizing yourself with the interface, then you could go to the messaging tab, and from then onwards you could press the register button and start with the registration process. As per the registration, you have to provide your email address and in some cases a phone number, and create a password, submit your documents in order to verify your KYC, and then you'll have successfully completed the registration process. So then when you're done creating your account, from then onwards you could do a real trading on the Metatrader 5. So that's how you can open a real account in Metatrader 5. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.